Good afternoon, everyone. Here is Professor Somani. From today onwards, I will take your basic electronics engineering subject. First of all, I am warmly welcoming you by Parvatibai Genba Moje College of Engineering in semester 2. Please anyone respond. Am I audible to you and my screen is visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good. Okay. Okay. And there is my humble request to you, all of you, from tomorrow onwards, you all are supposed to join this class with your exam sheet number, which you have used for previous exam. I am telling you the reason behind this because whenever I am supposed to give you the marks for the term work, for the practical exam, all these things, what I was supposed to check, I have to check your all the things, how you are doing, are you attending the lecture, your attendance, how you are submitting the assignment on time or not, the behavior, all these things. For that, I will need your exam sheet number. And of course, the exam sheet number for the second sem will be different, but obviously it will have the same sequence which you have got for the first semester. मतलब मेरा इन शॉर्ट बोलना ये है कि जो तुमने फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में एग्ज़ाम सीट नंबर यूज़ किए थे उसी ही सीक्वेंस से तुमको नए एग्ज़ाम सीट नंबर सेकेंड सेमेस्टर के एग्ज़ाम के लिए मिलेंगे. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग whenever you are submitting any assignment or you are giving your test or you are attending my lecture, at that time you are supposed to enter there your exam sheet number. If you are not entering your name, it will be fine, but you are supposed to enter your exam sheet number. Okay, have you got the point? Okay. या सबको स्क्रीन दिख रहा है अच्छी से?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we can move because this time we are not having that much time. In 1 month we are supposed to finish 4 units. And I am not bothering you, but this subject is not that much simple. Only what I have to say here. Okay, Aditya, I have seen your message. Okay. And again there is one request. Monday to Wednesday, we are having lecture from 1:40 to 2:40 and remaining 3 days we are having 11 to 12. Link will be the same link. इसी लिंक से तुमको रोज़ बेसिक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग का लेक्चर ज्वाइन करना है. एग्जाम सीट नंबर से तुमको ज्वाइन करना है. आफ्टर दैट बिफोर 5 मिनट यदि तुम ज्वाइन करोगे तो मुझे एडमिट करने में आसानी होगी बिकॉज आई एम टेकिंग द रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ दिस सेशंस and I will upload it on the YouTube only for you. If you will not get any point, you can go through this again. That's why I am taking the recording. So I am requesting you, so please, whenever there will be the lecture, you are supposed to join before 5 minutes. Okay. So now you can see here, these are our course objective. Okay. So in the basic electronics engineering, you will get the idea about the electronics. Now I am taking the lecture. You are attending my lecture. Okay. So how we are doing all these things? We are using laptops, desktop, we are using mobile phones, we are using headphone, all these. How you get these things? These are you are getting from the electronics. We are communicating with each other by using the electronic. So if we think our day-to-day life without electronics, for nowadays it's impossible. If I am saying you are not supposed to use any electronic device 24 hours, is it possible for you? I am saying to all. Okay. Not possible because what? We are now habitual with these things. Without phone, we can't live. Without TV, we can't. It means what? we are using electronics in our day-to-day life, and the uses of electronics, we are taking lots of uses from that. But if you see, there are lots of advantages of the electronics, but as we are saying, everything will have two choices, as like it is having some disadvantages also, because from pandemic we are using mobile phones, digital things lots of time. Because of that, what is happening with us, these things are not good for our health, these are not good for our eyes, so these are nothing but the disadvantage. So it's on us, we are supposed to take the advantage or we are supposed to take the disadvantage. Okay, so here in our syllabus, in our first unit, we will see about the PN junction diode and the special purpose diodes. PN junction diode, the simple diode. Diode means what? It will be a simple electronic circuit which we can use as a switch. If you see, in our day-to-day life, we are using switch lot of time. We are supposed to make fan on, we are making the switch on. If we want to make any tube light, any bulb, CFL off, at that time you are taking the use of switch, which we are using, which we are having on the switch board. So what I am saying, the PN junction diode, the best example which we are using in our day-to-day life, that is nothing but the switch board, because here we are using the switch. After that, we are supposed to see in our first unit special purpose diode, in which after the PN junction diode we will see about Zener diode, which will be the same as PN junction diode, but somewhat different you will get in the Zener diode. These are nothing but PN junction diode we can use as switch, but Zener diode we can use as voltage regulator. I am giving you the short idea about our syllabus in our today's session. So नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कोई पॉइंट, इतना मतलब एक साथ तुमको इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स की सभी चीज़ें एक ही लेक्चर में तो समझ में नहीं आएगी. I can understand, you all are supposed to understand, but whenever we will see each and everything in brief, at that time you will get the idea. So here for our whole syllabus I am giving you simple description. So what I am saying, Zener diode we can use in the special purpose diode. First diode we will see Zener diode, Z-E-N-E-R, Zener diode. And what is the use of Zener diode? Voltage regulator. So what does mean by voltage regulator? If you see, we are using power supply on our domestic level, we are using power supply on industrial purpose also. So what happens? For some devices, you will need voltage that will change, it will be okay for that circuit. But for some circuit, you will need the voltage that will remain constant till the end of that working. Means जो सर्किट है तुम कुछ वर्क कर रहे हो वो सर्किट से, तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक के कुछ सर्किट ऐसे हैं कि उसको कंटिन्यूअसली एक ही वोल्टेज, मतलब तुम 5 वोल्ट दे रहे तो उसको 5 वोल्ट ही चाहिए, देयर इट विल नॉट टॉलरेट एनी फ्लक्चुएशन. बट कुछ है कि उसको चलेगा, तो हमें यदि कांस्टेंट वोल्टेज चाहिए, एट दैट टाइम वी कैन यूज Zener diode, दैट इज नथिंग बट अ स्पेशल पर्पस diode. After that we will see LED. LED, you guys have heard about the LED? Have you heard? Anyone? किसी ने भी नहीं सुना है LED? LED means what?
Yes, ma'am.
You are not supposed to respond like only yes or no. No. If you know, you are supposed to explain that. Okay. What I am saying, LED is nothing but light emitting diode. We are using for lighting purpose. It means what? It will convert electrical energy into a light. After that, in special purpose diode, we will see third diode, that is nothing but a photodiode, which will be exactly same as LED, but it will be in opposite position. It means what? It will convert light energy into electrical energy. मतलब बिकॉज LED जो होता है, यदि तुम उसका स्ट्रक्चर देखोगे तो तुम्हें वहाँ पता चलेगा कि उसका जो कंस्ट्रक्शन होता है उसमें हम लाइट क्रिएट करते हैं बाय यूजिंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. दैट्स व्हाई वी विल गिव देयर आउटवर्ड एरो, बट इन द photodiode we will give inward arrow because it is taking the light and it is giving us the electricity. So these things we will see here in the special purpose diode. After that we will go to our second unit, in which we will see about bipolar junction transistor, metal oxide, semiconductor field effect transistor and the op-amp. So here is the question. As we are having diode, we are having different types of the special diode. What is the need of op-amp, MOSFET, BJT? Because we need the transistor and the operational amplifier, because PN junction diode we can use only as a switch. But if you want to amplify the value of voltage or current, we cannot do by using the PN junction diode. That's why you will need their transistor. मतलब ट्रांजिस्टर का बेस्ट एप्लीकेशन यदि MCQ में पूछ रहे हैं तो उसका बेस्ट एप्लीकेशन क्या होगा? एम्पलीफायर. क्योंकि जो हमारे पास डायोड था वो एज हम स्विच यूज कर सकते थे, बट यदि हमें वोल्टेज या करंट का वैल्यू बढ़ाना है या फिर कम करना है, वी कैन नॉट डू बाय यूजिंग द डायोड. दैट्स व्हाई यू विल नीड द ट्रांजिस्टर. सो वी आर यूजिंग द ट्रांजिस्टर as switch, as well as we can use the transistor as amplifier. So the best use of transistor is amplifier. Then you will see in the transistor there are the different types of the transistor. That can be BJT, that can be MOSFET. BJT, bipolar junction transistor. You don't know about the bipolar, these things you will get when we will study our first unit thoroughly. Okay, so bipolar junction मतलब क्या होता है? वहाँ जो करंट फ्लो होता है वो यदि माइनॉरिटी एज वेल एज मेजॉरिटी, मतलब इलेक्ट्रॉन एज वेल एज होल्स की वजह से करंट फ्लो होगा, तो उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? बाइपोलर जंक्शन ट्रांजिस्टर. इट मीन्स व्हाट? हियर करंट विल फ्लो बिकॉज ऑफ बोथ पोल्स, because of positive as well as the negative pole. And here in electronics, the first electronic component which we are using, that is the diode, that is the PN junction diode. It will have two legs, matlab two legs like two terminal. These are nothing but anode and the cathode. After that, if you will see about the BJT, MOSFET, all these two means BJT, MOSFET, only I am telling here about the transistor. So all these are having 3 terminal. But if you see MOSFET, we can take as 3 terminal as well as 4 terminal. Why? Because I will explain here. जो ट्रांजिस्टर होता है वो 3 टर्मिनल होता है, बट जो MOSFET होता है तुम उसको 3 भी ले सकते हो या फिर 4 टर्मिनल भी कंसिडर कर सकते हो. क्यों? क्योंकि BJT और MOSFET हमें बनाने के लिए हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? PN junction diode. It means here you will take the doping of P and N type semiconductor. Here we will sandwich one N type semiconductor between 2 P type, or we will do vice versa. मतलब मैं क्या करूँगी? सैंडविच बनाने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? 2 ब्रेड लेते हैं, उसके अंदर हम स्टफ भरते हैं. लाइक दैट वे हमारे पास है 2 टाइप ऑफ सेमीकंडक्टर, एक है P, एक है N. तो मैं क्या करूँगी? मुझे यदि BJT बनाना है तो BJT के 2 टाइप्स होते हैं, एक होता है NPN, एक होता है PNP. जैसे उसका नेम है वैसे ही हम बनाएंगे. मतलब यदि मुझे NPN बनाना है तो मैं क्या करूँगी? एक P टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर लूँगी और 2 N टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर के बीच में उसको सैंडविच कर दूँगी, तो मुझे मिल जाएगा 2 NPN. मतलब तुम्हें मिल रहे हैं वहाँ पे दो जंक्शन, क्योंकि P और N, जहाँ पे भी PN या फिर NP आएगा, इन दोनों के बीच में जो वॉल रहेगी, दैट वी आर सपोज टू से एज जंक्शन। जंक्शन मतलब क्या है? दोनों के बीच में जो सेपरेशन वॉल होती है। तो BJT जो होता है 3 टर्मिनल, इफ वी आर सेइंग दैट इज NPN, at that time we are supposed to take emitter terminal outward, and if we are saying that as PNP transistor, तो जो एरो रहेगा इमिटर का वो इनवर्ड रहेगा। फास्ट हो रहा है, थोड़ा थोड़ा कुछ समझ में आ रहा है? प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड एनीवन।
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, गुड,
Yes, ma'am.
वेरी गुड, ओके। हाँ, सो आफ्टर दैट वी विल मूव टू द मॉसफेट। मतलब बीजेटी का शॉर्टकट मैंने क्या बताया है कि बीजेटी जो है 3 टर्मिनल कौन से है? इमिटर, बेस, कलेक्टर। डायोड के 2 टर्मिनल कौन से हैं? एनोड, कैथोड। आफ्टर दैट वी विल मूव टू द मॉसफेट। सो मॉसफेट, इफ वी आर हैविंग द बीजेटी, हमें दूसरे ट्रांजिस्टर की ज़रूरत क्यों पड़ी? वाई? बिकॉज as compared to the BJT, size of MOSFET is small, its speed is higher. So what if it is giving us some advantages over previous thing? We will use that. अभी जैसे हमें मोबाइल परचेस करना है, अभी नोकिया है, सैमसंग है, MI है, बट in that again we will see the version 3G, 4G, we are supposed to move for the 5G. We will see their features, we will see its camera, the processor, RAM, ROM, memories, all these things. It means what? यदि हमें जो कोई नया चीज़ एप्लीकेशन देगी तो हम वो यूज़ करेंगे। तो मॉसफेट हमें स्पीड अच्छा दे रहा है, उसको साइज कम लग रही है, उसकी कॉस्ट इससे कम है, सो वी कैन गो फॉर द मॉसफेट। Who is on the unmute, please mute yourself. Okay? हाँ, so MOSFET, it will consist of 3 or the 4 terminals. 3 are nothing but gate, drain and source, and fourth one substrate. So substrate we can take separate terminal or we can connect that with source. मतलब सबस्ट्रेट और सोर्स को हम कनेक्ट करके उसको सोर्स बोल सकते हैं, या फिर सबस्ट्रेट को हम एज अ 4 टर्मिनल यूज कर सकते हैं। दैट्स व्हाई मॉसफेट इज 3 टर्मिनल और वी कैन से इट विल बी अ 4 टर्मिनल डिवाइस। नाउ वी कैन मूव टू द op-amp. As we are having the diode, we are having the transistor, what is the need of the op-amp? Op-amp is nothing but operational amplifier. ये BJT, MOSFET और op-amp we will see in the second unit. मैंने ये जो ब्लॉक्स बनाए हैं, ये जो पॉइंट्स है, ये जो है फर्स्ट यूनिट था, दिस इज द सेकेंड यूनिट. सो हियर op-amp, because op-amp it will take feedback from the output and it will give that again to the input. And op-amp, instead of number of transistor we can use single circuit. मतलब यदि मुझे वोल्टेज या करंट एम्पलीफाई करना है तो वी कैन डू बाय यूजिंग मॉसफेट और बीजेटी, बट फॉर दैट यू विल नीडेड नंबर ऑफ ट्रांजिस्टर. तो नंबर ऑफ ट्रांजिस्टर यूज़ करना है तो उसका कॉस्ट तो बहुत बढ़ जाएगा, उसका एरिया बढ़ जाएगा. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट इफ वी आर यूजिंग द op-amp, it means what? It is a simple electronic chip which will give us number of transistor on single unit. मतलब यदि तुम्हारा मोबाइल या फिर टीवी या रेफ्रिजरेटर, टेलीविज़न, कोई भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्किट ओपन करोगे, कोई इलेक्ट्रॉनिक खिलौना ओपन करोगे तो उसमें तुमको एक चिप दिखता है ग्रीन कलर का. हैव यू सीन दैट? वी आर सेइंग एज PCB because that on that chip what we are doing, we are using number of electronic components, we are building circuit which we will require. If you see there on that chip you will get some IC like structure. IC you will get, I will show you the diagram for the op-amp onwards. So here what I am saying, op-amp जो है क्या है? नंबर ऑफ ट्रांजिस्टर ऑन सिंगल चिप मतलब सिंगल आईसी पे देता है, दैट वी आर सेइंग एज अ इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट. IC means integrated. So we are supposed to use op-amp because it is giving us number of transistor on a single chip. और op-amp जो है, it will, if you see on any electronic device, if you will see on the Google, you will get there are the number of ICs are available. They are having the different IC number. यदि अभी तुम्हारे नाम की बात हो या फिर तुम्हारे गाड़ी के नंबर की बात हो, तुम्हारे एग्जाम सीट, all are having the different. The same like op-amp will have the different IC number. So basic first op-amp was discovered, that is IC 741 which is of 8 pin. जो op-amp फर्स्ट डिस्कवर्ड हुआ था वो है 741 वो है 8 पिन IC. सो हाउ इट विल लुक, वो क्या होता है, ब्लैक कलर का होता है. एक साइड में छोटा सा नॉच होता है. जहाँ नॉच होता है मतलब थोड़ा सा जो एरिया होता है ना वहाँ का उन्होंने निकाला हुआ होता है. मतलब वहाँ से तुमको समझेगा कि वहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है. बिकॉज IC जो होता है ब्लैक कलर का चिप होता है, इट विल हैव पिन्स ऑन बोथ साइड सेम नंबर. मतलब उधर के साइड 4 है तो इधर भी 4 रहेंगे. तो IC 741 है 8 पिन IC, तो 4 लेफ्ट में रहेंगे तो 4 उसको राइट में रहेंगे. तो हमको फर्स्ट नंबर कहाँ से देना है, दैट्स वाई दे विल गिव देयर अ नॉच. सो जहाँ से नॉच होता है वहाँ के राइट साइड से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे 1 2 3 4, और जहाँ एंड हो रहा है उसके लेफ्ट साइड में हम 5th नंबर, आफ्टर दैट 5th 6 7 8. Whenever I will show you the diagram, at that time you will get the idea. After that, in our third unit, we are supposed to see the basics of logic gates, digital circuit and their applications. These things are nothing but these are the digital electronics. अभी तक हमने जो देखे फर्स्ट और सेकेंड यूनिट, these are the basic electronics. मतलब इलेक्ट्रॉनिक का बेसिक थिंग है. Here in third unit you will get the idea about the digital electronics. Digital means what? Now I am using here desktop to share the screen. I am showing you the screen. Whenever you are doing any electronics project, you are supposed to build the program. You are supposed to execute the program. So we are doing these things digitally. So you will need the digital things in our electronic circuits. So that's why we will see these things in our third unit. And for the digital circuit, the basic, जैसे हमारा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक का बेसिक है PN जंक्शन डायोड, वैसे डिजिटल सर्किट में जो फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट था दैट इज नथिंग बट अ लॉजिक गेट. आफ्टर लॉजिक गेट you will get flip flop. After flip flop you will after logic gate you will get latch. After latch, if you are giving clock pulse, you will get flip flop. By using flip flop we will get counter, we will get shift register, we will get multiplexer, demultiplexer, encoder, decoder and the number of things. After that, in the fourth unit we will see about the electronic instrument. जैसे टेम्परेचर के लिए हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे. If we are supposed to measure the value of voltage, we can use voltmeter, we can use multimeter. If you want to measure the value of resistance, how we can measure, we can use that formula BB Roy, this वो formula use कर सकते हैं. or either we can use multimeter. Means all the electronic instrument which we are using to measure the things, these we will see in our fourth unit. After that, in our fifth unit, you will get the idea about active and the passive sensors. And in sixth unit, you will get the basic principles of communication system. But this time we are supposed to go for first 4 unit. But communication मतलब क्या होगा वहाँ पे? If you are doing communication, if you are supposed to convert analog signal into digital or digital into analog, how you are doing the communication, the basic communication system, all these analog as well as digital, you will get idea in 6th. और यहाँ पे 5th में क्या है तुमको, जो भी सेंसर्स हम यूज़ करते हैं, that's you will get in our 5th unit. So you can see here, these are our course objectives. When you will learn about this course objectives, you will get, whenever you will learn this course objective, the outcomes from that course objective will be, जो मैंने अभी तक बोला है, this thing you will get after finishing our syllabus. You will get idea about how PN junction is working. You will get idea about BJT, comparison between BJT, MOSFET, FET, TFET, all these things. You will get idea about the operational amplifier, logic gates, flip-flop. You will get the ideas about the electronic instruments. You will get idea about the sensors and the communication systems. So all these things, all the syllabus I have given here, I will share these PPTs with you, and now I think we can start our syllabus. If you are facing any issue regarding the syllabus explanation, you can ask me. Otherwise, we can move to the our syllabus. Okay. हाँ, सबको समझ में आया सिलेबस में क्या पढ़ना है? किसी को कोई मतलब दिक्कत है? इफ यू हैव एनी क्यूरी यू गाइस कैन आस्क. Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो किसी को भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है? Can we start our first unit? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we can move to our first unit. That is nothing but introduction to electronics. So here our today's topic is first subtopic, that is nothing but evolution of electronics. Just now I have told you about the IC. IC will be look like this. You can see here. These are nothing but the ICs. And ये जो मैंने notch बोला था, that is nothing but this. This is the notch. So these are nothing but the ICs. So here firstly we will see about the history of electronics. How electronics was discovered. So if you see the first electronic component which was discovered, that is nothing but vacuum tube. If you see the vacuum tubes, these are discovered in 1904, मतलब 1904. If you guys are having the notebook at that time, please whenever you will join the lecture, you are supposed to put your notebook and pen with you, and you are supposed to write the short notes. I will provide the notes. I have already provided the notes for first unit in our Google Classroom. But what happened? सब कुछ हम नोट्स में लिख नहीं सकते हैं. समथिंग मतलब होता है, कहीं कुछ पॉइंट इधर उधर हो जाता है, कभी रह जाता है. दैट्स वाई व्हेनेवर एंड दिस टाइम वी आर सपोज टू गो फॉर द MCQ. तो इसमें क्या है, MCQ मतलब जो भी तुमको लग रहा है कि मतलब शॉर्ट पॉइंट से यू आर सपोज टू रिमेंबर दिस थिंग, यू कैन नोट डाउन. So as I am saying, the first electronic component which was discovered, that is nothing but a vacuum tube, and it is discovered in 1904. So if you want to write, you can write there. So what does mean by vacuum tube? Here if you see vacuum tube, these are nothing but which will consist of anode as well as cathode, which will have heater, which will have control grid, and which will have electron. So here we are having vacuum diode as well as we are having vacuum triode. So vacuum diode जो है, it was discovered in 1904, and vacuum triode it is discovered in 1906. And vacuum diode which is discovered by John. ये जो डायोड है ये जॉन ने डिस्कवर किया था. एंड वैक्यूम ट्रायोड इट इज़ डिस्कवर्ड बाय ली डे, मतलब LEEDE. ही इज़ वन साइंटिस्ट, ही डिस्कवर्ड द वैक्यूम ट्रायोड. सो हाउ वी आर यूजिंग एंड व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ वैक्यूम डायोड एंड ट्रायोड? vacuum diode, these are nothing but it is the simple, these both are the simple form of the vacuum tube, which will consist of two electrodes. These are nothing but anode and the cathode. Anode means positively charged and cathode means negatively charged. The cathode will emit the free electrons. Here you can see you will get the electrons. So here as we are saying the cathode is negatively charged, it will give the free electrons. So that's why we can say cathode as emitter here. So here vacuum tube will allow us to flow the electric current, but that current will flow only in one direction. Why? Because we are saying diode and triode both are consist of anode and cathode. Cathode is negatively charged, it can emit the electron. और ये जैसे इलेक्ट्रॉन इमिट करता है, दैट्स वाई हम कैथोड को क्या बोल रहे हैं, वी कैन से इमिटर. एंड एज एनोड इज पॉजिटिवली चार्ज, इट विल अट्रैक्ट द इलेक्ट्रॉन, बट वो इमिट नहीं कर सकता है क्योंकि उसके पास है ही नहीं इलेक्ट्रॉन. बट कैथोड के पास इलेक्ट्रॉन है तो कैथोड उसको इमिट कर सकता है. दैट्स वाई बोथ विल अलाउ द फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट ओनली इन वन डायरेक्शन. एंड diode and triode both will block the current in another direction, that is nothing but from anode to cathode. It means what? In vacuum diode and vacuum triode, current will flow from cathode to anode and it will block vice versa, means current from anode to cathode. So here we have seen about the diode and the triode. These are the some subtopics. It means what? Here they will ask only about the evolution of electronics. They can ask when vacuum diode was discovered. They will give 4 options: 1904, 1958, 1906, 1961. You are supposed to understand vacuum diode 1904 and triode 1906. After that, we can see here the chronology of electronic system. It means what? How the electronic devices was discovered and when. So here if you see, when our grandparents and parents, these are child, at that time they were using the black TVs. After that we will get color TVs. After that you will get about the LED, LCD, these things. So here we can see how the electronic system was discovered. It means what? First generation, second generation, third generation, these things. So we can just wait for a minute. There is a network issue. Wait for a minute.